Hello, so this is the 12th video on the FLTK Rust series. Uh, this is just an update on the upcoming release, FLTK 0.8.0, which basically, if you check the repo, just refactors the code in the repo itself. So, okay. The changelog, so this is just in master, so makes FLTK-sys no-stud, and then it's mostly refactoring of the GLWindow. So previously the crate had it still has a GLWindow, but this is now enabled via feature flag. The idea was that to use it required actually exporting all of the OpenGL functions through the GL headers, which basically just bloated the crate itself. So now basically it's behind a feature flag, and I've actually made a new crate called glu-sys, which basically has all the raw GL calls. You can use a higher level OpenGL wrapper such as GLIM or something, but if you only need to call GL functions such as these GL clear, begin, etc., you can use the GL-sys, glu-sys crate. So basically the idea is that FLTK gives you a GL window which you can draw on. So here is the new, so usually after the release of 0.8.0, this will just be version 0.8.0, and features enable GLWindow. For this video, we'll just use the path since this wasn't released yet, and you have to import the glu-sys crate, and I think this is now, yeah, and we can basically just run the example here. So this basically just draws a triangle, and you can actually modify the rotation of the triangle using the FLTK's event handling of the window here. With the drag, this changes the coordinates or the rotates the triangle basically. So this was basically it for this update, and I'll be creating more videos soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.